Okay, sue me. This is another nostalgic recipe of mine, and it's either the pandemic or I'm getting old. So yeah, it's yummy carrots, it's cookies, and combine them together to these yummy bowls. Here we go. Well, first off, we need carrots. But not like this. This is what I'm talking about. You have to run them through a grater. And now we add the other things. The other things being sugar and some water, and with the help of editing magic. And you cook it like this. Try to keep some kind of moisture here, because it's still gonna evaporate a bit. And now, while this is cooling off, because we don't want to burn our fingers, we do something else. This something else I mean here is breaking the cookies into smaller pieces. I say smaller pieces because we still want some bigger ones in there. Technically, you could run this through a kitchen machine, but that makes it too bland for my taste. And while I'm crushing these here, I can tell you that adding crushed nuts such as hazelnuts work in this amazingly. The carrots will soften the cookies, but the nuts will remain crunchy, so it gives it a really nice balance and texture. You might consider that. Then you add in the carrots and start kneading it. Mine was a bit too hot to touch directly, so I let it rest for a bit longer. And I forget to start the record button. This might look weird now, but when you get to a consistency where the mass can hold its shape, this is where you want to stop kneading. To get a cleaner bowl, I wash my hands and then roll them all up. Then they get dunked into shredded coconut. You don't need to do this step, but it prevents the balls from sticking to each other. I mean, technically, you can even go all fancy and even cover them in chocolate if you are inclined to do so. And then you can directly eat them. They are soft and go really well with some tea or coffee, depending on your taste, of course. Which seems to be pretty even according to our community poll here. Granted, only 6 people voted, but hey, it's a start. I hope you've enjoyed yet another nostalgic recipe from me here, and let me know if you have some nostalgic recipes as well in the comments below. By the way, we have a Patreon now, just letting you know. Subscribing, commenting and liking goes a very long way, and I can only thank you for watching till the end. Have a delicious weekend and see you whenever.